Ready to jump into Mage Arena and start your adventure? Here's your beginner guide to get you playing right now. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1. Understand materials. First, materials are key to crafting and potions. You can collect logs, rocks, toads, crystals, and bounce mush. These materials help you craft powerful items or give them to the soup man for special soups and potions. Step 2. Soups and their effects. Soups provide useful effects like boosting speed, spell power, or jump height. For example, Crystal Soup boosts speed and spell power, while Toad Soup makes players drop their held items. Step 3. Craftables. Next, craftables are made by combining materials. Combine Toad plus Crystal to make a dart gun, or Toad plus Toad to make a frog balloon. Experiment with crafting to create powerful items like the Levitator or Mushroom Sword. If this is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Step 4. Spells. Spells are your main combat tool. Start with the Fireball, but as you level up, you'll get stronger spells like Blink, Thunderbolt, and Dark Blast. Each spell has unique effects and becomes more powerful as you level up. Step 5. Areas and resources. Explore different areas on the map, like Crystal Caverns, Frog Bog, or Mushroom Biome, each offering resources and new encounters. Be sure to claim resource zones to gather materials and level up. Step 6. Creatures and NPCs. Be prepared to face hostile NPCs like the Lich or Red Wizards. Some creatures like big toads or skeletons can be dangerous, but others like gnomes can be traded with. Watch out for gnome carriers who deliver resources to your castle. That's your beginner guide to Mage Arena. Gather materials, craft powerful items, level up your spells, and conquer the map. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.